Okay, my friends, let's continue with the oil bath welder that about nobody knows about. Let's cut it off right there and remove this mess here. And let me tell you the story about the oil bath welders. If it is like this, which is empty with oil, there's only a little bit at the bottom. I would say about 500 milliliter. It is okay to weld with if you do little bit of welding, and it does not stay long for running or just idling, as you mentioned, as you can think. Because then it will overheat. Then you need to fill it up with oil, and the coils must be completely covered. But for do-it-yourself homework, it's not necessary to fill it up. But actually it came default full of oil. But it disappeared with time. That is what happened with mine, and I could not open it. It have a little hole here to vent, and sometimes it bubble up there in the past. So that's where your oil gone over time. Okay, so let me make for us a new plan for us here. My plan actually is to take this spout, of silicone tube and cut it off here, and I think it will fit. It will fit very nice there. I will just make this a little bit smaller, or press it in. There it is. It pressed nicely in. I'll cut it off here, and we put our wire through there. So that's the plan. So let me start with the wiring correction there. Okay, my friends. So that what you see, what I make there, it replaces all this stuff here. So I'd want to test continuity between that points and the plug. So I'll set you up. We do the test quickly. Okay guys, this one is the live, and I will put it against the live, and we have dead short, and then the neutral. Dead short, and now the ground. Dead short. So that's a good thing. Just want to check this one quickly again. Now this is the power. Yes, we have it. Okay, friends. Now we can put it back together. Maybe I must put you like this, and you can do it with me. I sit here to block the sun. Okay, so this will work now, something like that. Just like that. And now it is, this can't go in because it pressed on the whole story inside. So I think I'm going to fix it up, maybe give it a nice clean up, and then bring you back, my friends. Okay, it's all done. Let's give it just a nice clean up, and it can go back to its owner. Okay, my friends, I think I'm finished. I decided to leave this stuff out. It is as hard as a rock, and I'm going to scrape the paint, so I will rather leave it like is.